Hello students, welcome in the class. Today our topic is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense shows action or events that began or ended in the past. Means the work has begun also and completed in the past time. If we see the Hindi sentences, then we will find चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे in the end of the sentence, and sometime आ था, ई थी, ए थे sound in the end of the sentence. You can see in the examples also, राम जा चुका था, वे खेलने जा चुके थे, and राम ने खाना खा लिया था. We use had as a helping verb with all the subjects in this tense, and third form of verb is used in past perfect tense. You can see the example. The stars had shone in the sky. America had attacked on Iraq. It had rained, etc. So these are the examples of past perfect tense. Now see the affirmative structure. In affirmative sentences, we write subject first, then had, then third form of verb, and in the end, object. Like she had written the lyric, the children had reached, etc. These are the examples. Remember, we use had plus third form in this tense. If you see the translation, then you can try. जैसे राम जा चुका था. So Ram is subject here. And we use had as a helping verb. Ram had. जाने की English है go, and third form of go is gone. So Ram had gone. That means Ram जा चुका था. Next, see the negative structure. In negative sentences, the structure is subject, had, not, third form of verb, and object. We use not just after the helping verb. See the example. She had not got so much cold before, or they had submitted their applications. If you want to try the Hindi sentence, then you can see like this. राम ने खाना नहीं खाया था. राम ने खाना नहीं खाया था. So it will be Ram had not eaten or taken the food. Next, interrogative. As you know, there are two types of interrogative. First, that has kya in the beginning of the sentence. Like, क्या वह बाजार जा चुका था? Like this type of sentence means that has kya in the beginning of sentence. So if in Hindi any sentence starts with kya, then we start this sentence with the helping verb, and helping verb of this tense is had. So its structure is had plus subject plus third form of verb, object, and in the last question mark. See the example. Had you had your dinner? Have used to had, but don't be confused. This is helping verb and this is main verb. Next is, had you completed your work? Now see the next one. If the sentence has any question word in between the sentence, so we have to write question word first, then had, then subject, then third form of verb, object, and in the last question mark. Examples: why had you written the letter, and when had she sung the song? In this sentence, you can see we use interrogative word first, then had, then subject, then third form of verb, then object, and in the last question mark. So remember, if you find any interrogative word in the sentence, then you have to use this interrogative word before helping verb. Here helping verb is had, and in the second one also you can see when. When means kab, and it is a interrogative word. That's why we use when first, then helping verb had, then subject, third form of verb, object, and in the last question mark. Thank you.